lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make something very interesting, very summery. We're going to make oven-baked tomatoes filled with our vegan cream cheese and some rice and basil. Super easy to make and so delicious and so sophisticated. So let's dig into the recipe. Now, it's very important that you get very firm tomatoes. They don't need to be greenish. They can be ripe, but they have to be very firm to the touch. And then we're going to cut a thin slice on the bottom so they stand still when you put them on your baking tray so they don't wobble to the sides. And then we're going to cut the top. And then we're going to carve the tomatoes to remove the meat with the help of a spoon and place the meat and the seeds on a strainer. Because we're going to use both the liquid and the meat, that delicious meat that is inside the tomato. We're only going to discard the seeds. We're going to put all the carved tomatoes in a baking sheet with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. And now we're going to chop the tomato meat. And then we're going to add the chopped tomato meat, vegan cream cheese, or any other creamy cheese of your choice. So here I have some leftover rice from the other day, salt and pepper, oregano, and some garlic powder. Mix until well incorporated and add some olive oil. Now, if you want to know how to make a vegan cream cheese, click there because I have a very nice recipe for a vegan cream cheese and a vegan ricotta, so you can choose. And so we are going to now fill the tomatoes with this very delicious and yet inexpensive mixture. And now we're going to top it all with breadcrumbs, a drizzle of olive oil. Remember that liquid that we strained from the tomato meat and the tomato seeds? Now we're going to put it at the bottom of our baking sheet because this is going to produce a very, very interesting and delicious gravy of sorts that you can, afterwards when you're going to serve, you drizzle it on top of your tomatoes and it's heavenly. I love when you can make these elegant looking dish and elegant tasting dish out of simple everyday ingredients. I think this is the most brilliant part of the kitchen because it's very easy to get very fancy and very rare ingredients and put together and make like these fancy and expensive looking and very tasty dishes. But that's easy because you have those very expensive and rare ingredients. But the brilliance that I think that it's in the kitchen is to transform those everyday, overlooked and kind of ordinary ingredients into something superb. I love this. This to me is the most fun that we can have in the kitchen. And the result, come on. It's just so delicious. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. That will be 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until you see the golden crust forming on top, okay? And this is it. And then you just serve it and voila, just be happy. Come on. Isn't this just out of this world? Make it for a brunch. And if you want to go to a brunch to a friend's house, you can bring it. Everybody's going to love it. Or you can make it for your family. It's just like, it's delicious. And I think it's so pretty. This helps too, doesn't it? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Tag me if you make it. It's brilliant. I love when you guys give your twist and your touch to my recipes. I love it. And I think this is it. No more no more messages for you guys. So apart from that, have a fabulous week. Take care of each other. Bye bye.